Welcome to our overview of Product Opportunity Explorer. In this video, we'll provide an overview of what Product Opportunity Explorer is and how it can help you find inspiration for product and offer ideas in the Amazon store. Product Opportunity Explorer is a tool that helps Amazon sellers generate new product or offer ideas by better understanding customer demand. The tool gives you insight into Amazon customer search and purchase behavior, which you can use to identify unmet customer demand and opportunities for new products or offers. Product Opportunity Explorer provides you with up-to-date data on customer needs and existing products across the Amazon store. To help you find opportunities that fit your business, Product Opportunity Explorer uses niches. A niche is a collection of customer search terms and products that represent a specific customer need. Customers show their purchase needs by searching for products, and we create niches by grouping search terms based on the products customers view or purchase after searching. You can browse or search within the tool to find niches that make sense for your business and use their details to help understand the potential sales performance of a new product or offer in that space. Each niche has a detail page providing additional information, like current products within the niche, top search terms, and statistics about new product launch potential. Use these details to determine if a similar product filling the same customer need would be a good fit for your business. Keep in mind that search terms and products can exist in multiple niches. Niche metrics are refreshed at the beginning of each week, and new niches are created at the start of each month. You can access the tool by opening the Seller Central main menu, hovering over Growth, and selecting Product Opportunity Explorer. After you select the tool, you'll first see example niches recommended by Amazon. These niches are recommended based on the categories you sell in and your selling history. Use the Find Opportunities by Categories menu in the top left corner to browse by category, working down from a high-level grouping to a specific category or subcategory. Use the search function to find niches related to specific terms. After searching for or selecting a category or subcategory, relevant niches are listed on a niche results page. We determine relevancy based on text matching between your search terms and the search terms related to niches. Alongside each niche, you'll find the top associated search terms and other key metrics. You can click the arrows to the right of each metric to sort by that metric in ascending order, or click again for descending order. Use the Filter Results button while searching or browsing to help find a niche with specific factors. For each metric, you can enter a minimum or create a range within a minimum and maximum. Filtering by multiple metrics can help you zero in on specific opportunities. For example, filtering results to only show niches with a low number of total products and a high search volume could help you identify unmet customer demand and an opportunity for a new product. When you find a niche relevant to your business, you can click it to find more in-depth metrics on the Niche Details page. Here, you'll find 4 tabbed sections with more information. The Products section lists the products within a niche that cumulatively receive 80% of clicks after customer searches. Use it to help understand what customers are looking for and to gain an overall sense of the competition within a niche. The Search Terms section can help you better understand customer search behavior and search term performance. It contains the top Amazon customer search terms for a niche, along with search volume, click share, search conversion rate, and top 3 clicked products. Use this section to learn more about customer intent and to identify product attributes or features that are potentially important to customers. Use the Insights section to understand specific dynamics in a niche, including how saturated it is, launch potential for new products, and overall customer experience. For example, you can use the average out-of-stock rate metric to help understand the need for additional products or offers in a niche. If search volume is high and shows yearly growth, this could also indicate an opportunity. Look out for a low percentage of Prime offers, as this can indicate an open space to quickly gain momentum by adding a product with a Prime offer. Similarly, a low percentage of products with sponsored products can indicate a less competitive space and an opportunity to launch a product with less advertising investment. The Trends section can help you understand the seasonality of a niche, historical average price within a niche, and performance over time. It includes a customizable graph that can display 2 active metrics at a time. Use this section to understand seasonal customer behavior and how you can adjust and optimize your business strategy. Click the Add Metric button to show options for more metrics and add or remove options to customize the display. Use each section to better understand a niche and your opportunity for expanding within it. Take advantage of Product Opportunity Explorer to better understand what customers are looking for, how they're searching for it, and what you can do to meet that demand. For more information on Product Opportunity Explorer, search for Product Opportunity Explorer Overview in Seller Central to find our PDF guide. This concludes our overview of Product Opportunity Explorer. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.